I love you, you love me. Uh, we're a happy family. Hey, this is what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking an image that we find off the internet and we want to actually put it in and have it sit on top of another image. So I have this image here of Barney and I love Barney. That's sarcasm if you didn't pick up on that. And what I want to do is I want to actually have Barney in the air flying. So if I actually take that image and I go up to insert image, and I'm going to go ahead and choose image background. I'm going to choose Barney. There he is. And when I hit open, what's going to happen is it's going to bring it in as a JPEG. And this JPEG brings the whole white background in. What I want to do is I want to be able to get rid of that white background. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. To do that, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to open an image from a computer. I'm going to open up that same Barney image. And again, I'm using Pixlr. What I want to do is I want to grab that magic wand. And I want to select all of the white space here. So I've got all the white space here. If you notice here, except there's this little white space I need to get here. Remember, we hold the Shift key down, and I can click on the inside there to get that white space. Now, essentially what I've done is I've selected this whole thing, but I only want to grab Barney. So what I want to do is I want to invert the selection. To do that, we go up to Edit, and Invert Selection. And you notice my little highlighting lasso stuff has changed. It's actually only going surrounding Barney right now. And the easiest way to do this is just to go up to Edit, and I want to copy this image. So I'm only copying the Barney image. Now I'm going to go up to File, New Image. And if you notice here, I can put a name to it, so I'll go ahead and call it Barney, B-A-R-N-E-Y. And if you notice it says Create Image from Clipboard. We want to do that. We also want to make it transparent, so the background's going to be transparent. So I click on that as well. And now I'm going to say OK. Now when I do this, you can see that it's the same image, but the main difference is there's not this white background, there's this checker background. That checker background means that the whole image is now going to be transparent. So it can sit on top of another image, and that other image will go through it. Now, last step, and this is super important, you need to be able to save your work there, or save this correctly. So I'm going to go up to File, Save, and I'm going to maximize this. But if you notice it says JPEG, and if you look at the background, this is an indicator. If you notice this white background is the same as this white background. I don't want to save it as a JPEG. I want to save it as a PNG, which is the transparent file. And if you notice, the little checkerboard transferred over here as well. And now I can go ahead and click Save, or OK. And I'm going to put Barney, PNG. I'll save it to my desktop. I'm going to click Save. And now it's there. Now we can go back here, and I'm going to go ahead and insert another image, and I want to insert that same one, but this time I want to insert my PNG image. Where is it? Barney PNG, right there. And now I'm going to have Barney that is sitting on top of the clouds, flying away, and I can go ahead and shrink that down. And this is going to be super important a little bit later on when we're actually doing game design, because you're not going to want your character to be running around with this white background. And that is how you turn an image into a PNG so it has a transparent background.